Sight reading is an essential skill for the classical guitarist, and in this video you will learn the accidental notes on the first three strings in the first position of the guitar. And near the end of the video we will go through 6 different sight reading exercises with all the new notes. All these exercises you can download for free by clicking on the link in the description below. If you're new to sight reading, then you may want to start out with the natural notes that I covered in the video up here. Now, let's get started! Before we start learning the new notes, we need to know 3 symbols, and the first one is the sharp, and this one raises the note up a semitone or 1 fret on the guitar. The next one is a flat, and this one lowers the note down 1 semitone or 1 fret down on the guitar. And then there's the natural. This one restores the note back to its natural form. Our first note we're going to learn is called G sharp. This note is to be found on the 1st fret on the 3rd string. Now the second note we're going to learn is called A flat, and it's also found on the 1st fret on the 3rd string. These notes are called enharmonic equivalents. They sound the same but have different names. So this is both G sharp and A flat. Now the next note is called A sharp and is on the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. The next note is called B flat and it's also on the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. A bit confusing at first, but this one is also an enharmonic equivalent. They sound the same but have different names. It's A sharp, then it's raised A, and then it's B flat. B. Same note, different names. The next note we're going to learn is called C sharp. And C sharp is on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. The next note on the 2nd string is called D flat and is also on the 2nd fret on the 2nd string. Now on the 2nd string we have the note D sharp on the 4th fret on the 2nd string. This note is also E flat. Now on the 1st string, on the 2nd fret we have the note F sharp. And when we lower the G note, it's called G flat on the 2nd fret also on the 1st string. The enharmonic equivalent. So the last note we're going to learn is called G sharp. It's on the 4th fret on the 1st string. So all the notes we've learned so far are G sharp and A flat on the 1st fret on 3rd string. A sharp, B flat on the 3rd fret on 3rd string. C sharp, D flat on the 2nd fret on 2nd string. D sharp and E flat on the 4th fret on 2nd string. F sharp and G flat on the 2nd fret on the 1st string. And then we have the G sharp on the 4th fret 1st string. Now let's go through the sight reading exercises together. You can play these at any speed, but just start slowly and memorize the notes as you go along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now for the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,